birds over there. Hide this. You see them? There's lots of dirt, yeah. You see that algae growing on it? Look at this green stuff. It's algae, it's all over it. It's a starfish arm. A big pipe. Climb up there and go down the slide. They got a double slide here. Oh, look at that big dog over there. That's cool. Ready?
No.
You don't want to go down the slide? Come on.
No, we don't.
Okay. Look at this big tree. This is gorgeous. I think it's an oak tree. What are you doing?
Up here.
You're up there. You gonna go down the slide?
No.
Okay.
Ah! I down.
These people are gonna go kayaking.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, they're like little boats. They're called kayaks. They're gonna put them in the river. Let's go see what we can find in the water. Let's see if we can find some fish. Come on. This is called Island Park.
Hi.
Oh, it's not much of a park, huh? Oh, look, there's a little like playground thing over there. I think it's like a workout station. Let's go see it. Wow, look at this tree. Oh, there's a big pile of Spanish moss on the ground. So Oliver chose to walk in this weirdo area down here. A little like drainage ditch, I think, then this little exercise thing. Oh, actually it looks like he's falling. He's going up this hill. Oh wow, this is really steep. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. feel like I'm hiking right now. Can you get up? Ugh. Can you make it? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you did it. There you go. Look, it's the railroad tracks. You know what's on the other side of this, Ollie? It's the Everglades Wonder Garden. Do you hear all the animals there? They have a bunch of... I should be laughing, but it's hilarious. They have a bunch of animals there. They have like alligators, birds. Mom used to volunteer there. We can't go all the way over there though, okay? So it's a big ditch right there with water. They don't want people to go. We'll have to take a little trip over there someday soon. God, I don't know if you guys can see this. This guy on the bicycle has an iguana on his head. Oh, I don't think you're gonna be able to see. I'm trying to zoom in. Do you see the iguana? I can't zoom in anymore. He has an iguana on his head and he's just riding his bike around. All right. This plant is so cool. I don't remember the name of it, but it's some kind of flower and it's like super prickly. There's a whole bunch of them over here. Baby, we can't go over there to the zoo. This is not the entrance. We'll go to the front another day. You think that's a gopher tortoise hole? Look right here. No, right here, baby. It's either a rabbit burrow or a gopher. I think it's gopher tortoise. That's pretty cool. I hope it doesn't go on these train tracks though. It'll get squished. What do you see over there? What'd you find? Oh, a big piece of wood. Looks like it got burnt or something. I think we're kind of at the end of the park. You see the gopher tortoise hole? Ah, look at this water. What do you think lives in there?
Fish.
What else? You think there's some birds? These little houses over here are so cute. I wonder what the neighborhood is.
Me here.
They're right here on the water. I bet they got a lot of mosquitoes though. There's shadows on it. Rusty the dog. You ready to go? Yeah, the big dog. We are having Culver's for dinner because I just did not feel like cooking. I was way too hungry. And we were actually gonna go eat over there inside, but their dining room was closed. So we got food to go. I got the seafood dish and Ollie got chicken nuggets or chicken tenders and french fries. So we are going to end the vlog here. Ollie, you wanna say bye?